Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are keeping safe and good. So today I'm going to be sharing my detailed review on this Wow skincare products which I have been trying and testing out for over 2 weeks now. So if you're interested in knowing about these products and how it works, then continue watching. First up, I got all these products from their newly launched phone app which is called as Buy Wow India. So for the authenticity, just download any free app of QR code scanner and then scan the QR code which is right on the product, and you can see this link which pops up and you can directly open it on the browser, then verify your mobile number and from where you purchased. I have purchased from Buy Wow, as I said. Then just proceed. You get an OTP to your number, and this is how you get to know how authentic your product is with rewards for your next purchase. So this is everything about the QR code scanning, and now without any further ado, let's get started with each product. So first product I'm going to be talking about is the vitamin C foaming face wash. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This retails for 399 rupees for 100 ml of product, and all the Wow products are dermatologically tested, made in Himalayas, 100% vegan, cruelty free. So the face wash comes with the silicone bristles brush which is really soft, and once you pump, this is how the product looks like. It has very liquidy consistency. Also comes with the cap which is really handy, and hygiene packaging. I love the concept of this face wash packaging. So here, this is how my face looks without anything on my face. I have not even washed, so I'm just gonna be washing with the same face wash now. Before that, I'm spritzing some water and then I'll start to use this face wash. First, I'll just take some amount in my hands like this, and then I'm gonna be spreading it on my face, and then I'll start using the brush in circular motion. So I was very skeptical about the brush in the beginning, but once I started using it, trust me guys, it's supremely soft. It's not at all harsh on our skin. It's very gentle on our skin, and most importantly, it helps to get rid of dirt and gunk on the inner corners around our mouth very easily. And the face wash itself, very light, has watery consistency, hence it's very gentle on our skin with amazing fragrance of oranges and lemon. It feels really refreshing and soothing. I also like to apply it on my lips so that it helps to exfoliate my lips as the brush is very soft. So once I'm done washing my face, it makes my skin hydrated and moisturized, and also keeps my skin nourished and supple. Though it has vitamin C, it will not dry out my skin. That is the best thing about this face wash. Instead, it instantly gives you that brightening effect and also makes you feel very refreshed. And this is how my skin looks. It feels so soft and smooth. Overall, I really like this face wash and how it makes my skin feel. And then next up, moving on, I have this activated charcoal face scrub which looks like this. Outer packaging has all the required details. It has no parabens and mineral oil free, made with natural actives, retails for 375 rupees for 100 ml. It comes with this tube kind of a packaging with flip top opening, which is travel friendly packaging, I would say. And here is the swatch of the scrub with tiny beads in it. Now let's just apply it. First I'm going to be spritzing some water again, and then I'll spread the product first and I'll start to scrub my face. So this scrub has again amazing fragrance. I can't stress enough how much this Wow products have that soothing fragrance which is really refreshing and calming. It's not like that alcohol effect, strong fragrance. I really love the fragrance of all the Wow products I have mentioned before as well. So yeah, this scrub has tiny little granules in it which helps to exfoliate our skin deeply and get rid of dirt and excess oil without being harsh on our skin. It's very gentle on our skin, and if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, you can definitely give it a try. After using this scrub, it leaves my skin squeaky clean, like deeply cleansed. And as it has nourishing properties in it, it has olive oil and it also has many different oils in it. It just makes my skin hydrated and moisturized. It will not dry out my skin. It also helps in improving your skin texture. If you have dry skin, flaky skin, definitely give it a try. It works pretty good. So overall, I really like this face scrub, and at last I like to scrub my lips as well, as the scrub is gentle, and this is how my face looks. It feels deeply cleansed and nourished. So now let's move on with the next product. Is this peel off gel mask. I have this aloe vera peel off gel mask which looks like this. It has all the required details again. It's free from parabens, silicones and color. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's same like scrub packaging, the flip top one. And here is the swatch of the gel mask. The consistency is super unique for me because I've never tried any aloe vera based peel off mask. I've used only charcoal peel off mask, and I think only that is available. This is very unique product. And this is how the gel based peel off mask looks like. It's very light on our skin. It's not too thick, and I really like the consistency, as I said. So I'm gonna be applying it all over my face and let it dry, and then I'll peel it off. So this peel off gel mask has aloe barbadensis leaf juice, I hope I'm pronouncing right, with hyaluronic acid and provitamin B5, which helps to purify, exfoliate, moisturize and brighten up your skin. So once it dries, like after 30 minutes, I'm gonna be peeling it off like this. Peeling it is very easy, it does not hurt, and it's not like that stubborn charcoal peel off mask. It's very easy, very gentle on our skin. If you have like facial hair, you can definitely give it a try, it will not hurt. So overall, what I feel about this peel off mask is, after using it, it makes my skin moisturized and hydrated for sure, as it has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. It definitely moisturizes and nourishes, and also brighten up my face. It feels refreshing. Other than that, I don't feel it take care of blackheads and whiteheads. It's just the therapeutic peel off gel mask for me, and I like how it feels on my skin, and also I like how it gives that subtle glow on my face once I wash with normal water. This is how my face looks. It feels definitely soft and supple. And yeah, that is everything about the gel peel off mask. Okay, now let's move on with the next product, which is this vitamin C skin mist toner, which has no parabens, silicone, mineral oil, sulfate free product, infused with lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, witch hazel and aloe vera extracts. This retails for 399 rupees for 200 ml, and this comes with a spray bottle like this. The spray is really nice and it's not harsh at all. So first step, I like to use it with the cotton pad and swipe it across my face. This step will ensure if there is any dirt left, it will take care of that, and my skin will be clean for the next step. So next step, I'm gonna be spritzing this toner on my face directly, and then I'll be patting it into my skin so that it absorbs nicely. So overall, I'm in love with this toner. I like how it takes care of my skin, gives deep hydration, nourishes my skin, and also gives that refreshment. If you feel tired, you can just spritz some toner on your face and you're good to go. It feels so refreshing and soothing, and most importantly, it's non-sticky formula. It just absorbs nicely into our skin. And one last thing, it also acts as a makeup setting spray. So yeah, that is everything about the toner. Now let's move on with the last product, that is Wow Skin Science Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. This is how the outer packaging looks like. Outer packaging itself impressed me so much. You can see the color coordination, and this retails for 599 rupees for 50 ml of product. So this is how the actual product looks like. You can see they have QR code sticker on each of the product so that you can test the authenticity. I like the idea of it. Now once you pump the top part of the jar, you get the product out. You get the perfect amount of product, and this is how the product looks like. It's clear gel. It absorbs very quickly into our skin. So I'm gonna be applying it on my face now. So as I said, you guys, I have been trying all the products out for 2 weeks now, and this gel makes my skin hydrated and moisturized throughout night. I like to apply it night times as well. You can use this gel as a primer, and you can include this in your morning, evening or nighttime skincare routine. It gives your skin deep hydration, and most importantly, it is non-sticky. It takes few seconds to settle, and then it absorbs nicely into our skin. So overall, I really like this gel, but I'm not really big fan of the fragrance, but the packaging has my heart out. It is the most hygiene packaging I've ever seen. So yeah, that is everything about the products I've been using, trying and testing from the Wow Skin Science. I really hope this detailed review was helpful for you all. With that, I'll finish this video. All the product details will be in the description box. Do check it out. I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Thank you all so much for watching.